Hi guys and welcome. Today in this video I want to share with you a fantastic hosting provider that is relatively new to the market, but that is staying strong and really reliable and powerful tool for any type of your needs that you may have. So the project called HostArmada, it is a relatively new player in the web hosting market, and because it was launched at the last quarter of 2019 and is headquartered in Delaware. Now, this is a really fast-growing company, and they offers domain services and various cloud SSD hosting services, including shared hosting, WordPress and WooCommerce hosting, VPS, and dedicated services. HostArmada has a lot of servers in the US, Canada, UK, Germany, India, Singapore, Australia, and all over the world. So you can count on this provider, and you can be sure that your site will be definitely visible to any of your visitors from all over the world. While the claimed uptime of almost all hosting providers is 99.9%, this may not always be due to maintenance issues, but HostArmada lives up to its promise and exceeds its uptime. HostArmada provides excellent and uninterrupted services because it uses the latest industry standard hardware components to build and maintain its cloud services. It's based on cloud technology, so you can rely on this tool. HostArmada provides additional efficiency by using KVM virtualization and redundant storage replication. This helps avoid downtime as no component replacement is required. HostArmada partnered with a lot of well-known brands for all of its plans, including cPanel, Cloudflare, Cloud Linux operational system for faster downloads from multiple locations, Lightspeed, JetApps, Intel, Spam Experts for email protection, and Immunity 360 to protect servers from hackers and malware. They have two-tiered network. Now, the internal layer is designed to communicate with the local server, allowing servers in the same data center to communicate with each other with zero latency. The outer layer acts as a remote network and operating at high speeds. The combined result of these processes means that website hosted with HostArmada gets 100% uptime, and this is quite fantastic, guys. There's also, of course, free SSL certificate from Sectigo for all domains hosted on this service. It's a standard offer to help establish an encrypted connection between your site and your visitors to be sure that all your visitors' data, all your visitors' information is totally secured and encrypted with a top-notch technology. Now, also, HostArmada offers 7 to 21 daily backups, depending on your plan. While this is an important feature, you usually only see weekly backups for shared hosting plans, especially budget ones. Thus, HostArmada is ahead of its competitors in this regard. It includes a web application firewall also that analyzes, monitors, and blocks HTTP traffic at the application level to prevent an XSS attack or SQL injection. This is always an excellent security measure to minimize the vulnerability. This is always an excellent security measure to minimize the vulnerability of your web server where your site is. Also, there's an interesting feature. HostArmada performs automatic security scans for exploits and malware injected into your code. You also can initiate security scan via cPanel. I'm going to show it to you just in a minute. With HostArmada shared hosting, you can host from one to an unlimited number of websites, and this is cool for those folks who run a big business or who run an agency that has a lot of clients. And you also get 15 gigabytes to 40 gigabytes of cloud SSD storage. The feature of this cloud SSD storage is much faster than traditional disk drivers. That is giving your website's overall speed and performance better than competitors. This is absolutely incredible. Now, all plans include unlimited email accounts, unlimited databases, unlimited FTP accounts, and support for multiple PHP versions. I want to show you what's happening inside of the HostArmada dashboard, so let's jump in. Alright, I've created especially for you to show how it looks from inside. I created the new account to show you the dashboard, and HostArmada uses a combination of a customizable dashboard and a cPanel for management. The dashboard is, as you can see, neatly organized and intuitive and contains several essential features. Meanwhile, cPanel is where you can find more advanced features if you need them, or if you're familiar with a cPanel, it will be best maybe for you to use the cPanel. When you log in, you will see the dashboard. It should be easy for you to navigate it because there's nothing that can compromise your eye. It's simple, and HostArmada doesn't clutter things up, having only the essential here. You can find something like services, domains, billing, support, and that's it. But when you need more, you have to use the cPanel. And if you know cPanel well, you will find a familiar face, because the cPanel HostArmada looks almost like any other cPanel. It's clean, powerful, and contains all the tools you need to set up and manage your website. You can install, of course, WordPress, set up email accounts and subdomains, access the file manager and databases, and do the SEO. There's something here for beginners and experienced web admins alike. So, of course, you can use this button with a knowledge base. There's a lot of interesting information about all the things that you may not know for the moment. So this is really convenient. So in general, it's easy to use, powerful, and with everything you need to manage your website, definitely. And when it comes to speed, this provider is really surprisingly fast. It also handles traffic very well. And I haven't mentioned uptime yet. That's absolutely great. We've tested and monitored the HostArmada throughout the week, and HostArmada stayed online 100% of the time with no outages. 100% is not even the 99.9, is 100%. The response time was consistent, averaging 412 milliseconds, and this makes HostArmada reliable and really fast tool that will handle with all your hosting needs. Of course, guys, I'll keep an eye on this tool to see if the trend continues in the long term, but for the moment, it is strongly recommended tool. Guys, make sure to check it out. All the useful links are under this video in the description panel, so you can, by your own, make sure that this is reliable, fast, and absolutely insane tool that will help with all your hosting needs that you may have. Thanks, that watched that video till the end. Hope you enjoyed and hope this information was useful. Take care and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.